All right, guys. Well, we have some very uh, big news today, mostly in the form of silver and gold going absolutely parabolic. Wow! Look at that. Oh, that is not what I want. There we go. That's what I wanted. Look at this daily chart on silver. Now, obviously, we've been talking about it, we've been tracking it. There was a little bit of a pullback, and now we are breaking out of this previous candle. It's a really big deal. That's a really big deal. So today we had a few earnings reports come out. We had Apple, Google, Caterpillar, and those are all some really big ones. Those are all some really big reports. So we expect those to be driving markets today. And there was a little bit of disappointment, right? There's a little bit of disappointment. So, yesterday during the stream, we were kind of talking about how we're right on the precipice of a potential big move, but we also expect some resistance. And lo and behold, even with a bullish bias, we are hitting that resistance, right? You get this big wick to the top, you get another big wick to the top right here. So, we'll see what happens today. We're going to see if buyers come in and step in and they're able to push this thing up to new all-time highs. Honestly, not 100% sure. Not 100% sure. And the reason I'm not 100% sure is because I don't have a crystal ball. But things are looking really interesting. The one thing that I do know for sure is that some kind of move is coming, whether it's up or down. We will see in a very short amount of time. But there is absolutely some kind of move coming and some kind of opportunity on NASDAQ. And as far as silver goes, looking pretty bullish. It is hard to be bearish here. Now, I will say that I am of the belief that silver is a little bit overvalued right now. But that doesn't mean that I'm not bullish on it. You could be bullish on something and still think that it's overvalued. A lot of the things that look the most bullish are overvalued, right? The market has a tendency. It's almost paradoxical, right? That when something is overvalued, it tends to go even higher. Have you noticed that, Icarus?
Technical issues.
We got it now. We are A-okay now.
Oh man.
Oh, we are. We're good now.
Okay.
So today we are going to be watching NASDAQ and silver. US 30's been in like consolidation since we watched it happen yesterday. It's just been sitting there in the same range. So I am not really looking at US 30 today. I just it's behaving in a way that I don't really like, and if we don't feel comfortable trading something, then that probably means that we shouldn't be trading it, right?
What do you mean, Swazzle? You can't hear me.
Can't hear Swazzle.
Oh, now you can.
Yeah. Okay, good, good, good. Good. We want to make sure. We want to make sure that everyone can hear Icarus's beautiful voice. No, we did get a nice little bounce while I was drawing out the volume profile on the daily right there. We got a nice little bounce off of this this liquidity level, right? Like you saw it, it was slightly red, right? And then we bounced. So, you know, so far so good. Holding up that that key liquidity level of support. That's a pretty big deal. We do like to see that. I would much rather this thing break to the top side, quite honestly, than fail here, just because the top side could represent a much larger move, and that's quite exciting. That's quite exciting. We also have a little liquidity level right here that we should probably make note of. Seems as though we tapped it a few times, right from the bottom, right there as well. These got close. It wasn't quite there, but it was close, right? We really called it really more with that. And then when we broke through, we had a little drawdown where we came and tested it again before immediately launching back up on the 4-hour chart. So that is very clearly it's very clear to me that that's an important point on this chart, right? That's an important price for NASDAQ. So we will see what happens from there. All right, and let's go down to the minutes. So we'll go down to the 1 minute as we always do. We'll draw out our last liquidity level here. We'll turn on our handy little proprietary heat map that Icarus was so kind as to create for us. And then we're going to move on to silver, which I'm actually really excited about silver. I mean, obviously, everyone's been excited about silver. And for those of you that missed it, I put out a little ping right before gold went parabolic yesterday in the Warrior Trade channel, right? So for all of our subscribers, a little bit after the stream ended, we saw a little bit of consolidation right at a crucial point for gold. And I put out a ping saying, hey, by the way, right, this thing, if this thing breaks structure, like we really need to pay attention. And lo and behold, when it broke structure, it ended up going up, what, like 3%, something like that. I mean, it was up 5% on the day after that, but I think 3% was the move. I think it was already up about 2. So, you know, that was a pretty sizable move, and anyone that caught that, you know, you did real well. You did really well on gold yesterday. Yeah, we had some tech giants and one of the biggest OEMs, right? The original equipment manufacturer, Caterpillar, had a little bit of. There we go. Yeah, had a little bit of noise this morning. The tech earnings, to be honest with you, were a little bit disappointing, but Caterpillar's doing really well, right? Kind of following up on some of our swings that I've been calling out. Riley moving up in pre-market. AREB is doing quite well. That's not really, the point of this play, but it is nice to see that it's getting a little bit of interest. Intel is starting to give a little bit back. And USAR, that's one that we were talking about that had some very, very dilutionary terms for the US government buying in. That thing is diluting now, and it is eating dirt. Okay? That thing is eating dirt. So, few exciting things there. So, for those of you that have been on this stream for a while, you will remember that I like to use this for swings. And let me tell you, when you're looking at the ADX DMI for silver, this is insanity. Okay? This move is absolutely crazy. What this is telling us is that the trend strength is just ridiculously high, right? This thing is powerful. There is power behind this move. And the confidence level is extremely high, right? Selling pressure way down, obviously. Buying pressure way up, obviously. I've shared with you guys that one of my pet peeves is people improperly using the term parabolic. So allow me to show you what truly parabolic means. It's this. Now, there was a time in the past that we did see something very similar happen. So, while I am bullish right now, I do want to exercise a little bit of caution, right? Because we had this happen in 2021. Like if I zoom in, you're going to see a somewhat similar structure. It didn't last as long, right? So this run went from May of 2020 all the way to August of 2020, right? I mean, technically, I guess we could really say that it began in March, but the parabolic curve, started here. And then it was dead money for a long time. And if you guys will remember, we actually caught the breakout of those all-time highs, right? We caught that breakout right here. And since then, we have just watched this thing absolutely soar. So I'm quite excited about silver, especially considering that it's breaking this wick, right? That's showing me that this was just a little bit of a retracement down. And we have, we have a very clear break. It's not even close. Like, is it going to break? No, it already broke. It's already broken, right? Every single daily moving average is going damn near vertical. Even the 200. Do you know how long it takes for this thing to fucking move? It takes forever. It takes forever. So for that thing to start moving in this way, it's really quite impressive. Really quite impressive. What do we well, I already set the start time for that. That was strange. And look at that. The point of control is all the way at 48. So in every imaginable way, this thing is incredibly bullish. It's not even worth me drawing on the daily, the volume profile and the liquidity levels. It's not even worth drawing. That's how bullish this is. So instead, we're just going to go right to the 1 minute, because this move has been on much lower volume than all of the accumulation below, and it's really skewing the volume profile quite a bit. But I do want to extend this out over here. So as you can see, we have massive support where this consolidation happened, right at this 117.75. I turned on little markers on the liquidity levels, so that way you guys can see the actual number associated with it. Grab this right here. Ooh, look at those lows lining up beautifully there. I would expect this to act as support. And if we can establish this current level as support, that's going to be a really big deal. It's going to be a really big deal. Let me just get these things out. And just a reminder that after the 2 hours free stream today, for VIP, we are going to be doing a little extra. So we are going to have an extra session after this for any subscribers. So stay tuned, because we do have some really fun stuff coming up. We're not full porting silver. we're not full porting silver. Okay.
You should full port time.
I'm sorry, what?
Full port time.
Full port time. So you can full port time. Time can be traded as an asset, believe it or not. There's no ticker for time, but when you are trading options, you can absolutely full port time. You can even short time, right? You can use time as a way to basically leech value from the market. You can. I'm so serious. You can. I do it all the time. Right? Like, have you ever heard of a calendar spread? A calendar spread is literally playing off of time and implied volatility, but time first and foremost.
Is it gone now, Vision? All right.
So, NASDAQ consolidating right at the POC, right? The what was it? The point of consolidation? No, the point of control. Those two are synonymous, though. They're the same thing. Silver looking quite good in pre-market. Would really like to see us break this liquidity level and start testing this 119.81 area. That would make me incredibly bullish, considering that is the all-time high. And again, in my experience, when an asset or a commodity or an index, anything, okay, when anything makes a new all-time high, it's doing so because it's doing well. So we want to pay attention. So today's bias, Fabo, today's bias on NASDAQ is neutral. I'm very unsure. I mean, if we're going by like the ICT model, it would be bullish. But what I want to show you, right? I'll pull it back up, as we were just talking about this a minute ago. I'll pull it back up. We are at this point of major resistance. Look at that. This is exactly where the run stopped last time. And what happened when the run stopped? Blech. Just puked all the way down. Resulted in us going to 23,828. Now, it is worth noting that tariffs played a role in this, right? But we hit this peak on October 30th of 25, and 3 weeks later, on November 21st, okay, we had dropped by $3,000. 20, it's more like 2,500, but you get the point. Like that was a huge move. And for anyone that was watching the stream back then, like we were shorting this thing every day, man. We were shorting this thing every single day, and making out like bandits, right? I mean, really, really, just cleaning up on that. So, am I saying it's necessarily going to happen now? No, no. We don't have this weird like floating island where we just gap up and start trading upwards and consolidating at all-time highs, right? Instead, we had a gap down, a deep low, right? A deep retracement, and then we have steadily been grinding our way back up, right? Some time has passed. The tariff concerns that took us down here aren't present anymore. But we do have a little bit of apprehension in the markets right now, right? Because we have the whole Iran situation, between Israel and Iran, and the U.S., of course, is involved because we always are. We have silver going absolutely nuts and drawing a lot of trader attention. We have gold going nuts and drawing a lot of trader attention. We have a lot of the big tech firms, right, reporting very underwhelming results from their AI investments. So that's something that we want to make sure that we're noting too. So there is a little bit of tension, right? There's also potentially a government shutdown, right? So last time we had the tariff concerns and the government shutdown. This time we just have the government shutdown, right? But the market may not care about that as much as we would think, right? One of the hallmarks of trading is that things are often inefficient and they're irrational. And when we can spot those inefficiencies, we can make money. But if we get caught up trying to fit everything into being rational, that's not going to work out every time for us. It really won't, right? It really, really won't. So we want to make sure that that we're listening to the market, right? We can always have our idea in our head, but we need to listen to the market, because there's a very famous saying, right, that the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. And in my 13 years of trading, I find that to be one of the most profound quotes, right? It's so true. It is so true. Oh, you give me just a minute. I gotta set something up real quick here in the background.
Also, for those that weren't there the last time, I also mentioned on my TradingView profile there is also a new tool, VXCalibur, which you can use to calculate how many contracts you should use on futures trades.
And that's quite useful. Especially if sizing is something that you struggle with, right? Having basically like a little assistant to sit on your shoulder and help you, very useful. So make sure that you do that. Icarus, can you provide a link to that?
Yes, a link is coming up in chat.
Awesome. All right, everybody, stay tuned. We got the link coming up in chat right now. Man, you know what? It looked like it was all good to go on TikTok, and now they're telling me like, oh, I should or that I have to do some other stuff, right? They have to like approve me to do it.
Yeah.
Which they didn't show me. Oh, by the way, everyone, go over to the announcements. Let's see some reactions, right? Let's see some reactions so that way everyone knows that that we're in here, right? We got the NQ crew sitting in here. We're chilling. I'm actually really excited to have a buddy that's sending me like a little purple NASDAQ logo with some LED lights in it. It's a friend of mine that I've known for like a decade. And he knows that I'm obsessed with this, so he's like, I'm gonna make something for you. Getting a little bit of resistance here on the point of control, but it could just be a minor pullback. I mean, look, or rather like a little retracement, right? Consolidate right on the point of control. We drop down to the prior liquidity level. We come up, we're testing the point of control. Fail. So, you know, like predicted, right? Hitting some resistance. But the real question is will we have the volume, right, and the bullish order imbalance to really send this over the top at opening, right? It's pre-market. I don't want to trade pre-market. We've kind of caught up on a lot of the news of the day. So we want to make sure that we are just staying aware. We also had somebody who joined our our little crew of subscribers here, right? They joined our family, and then they left because we aren't French. And I was like, oh man, oh no. See, it didn't work. I can't do the French thing, right? Every time I do it, I just sound like an asshole. So, you know, I was a little upset about that because we love all of our European friends.
Yeah, it's the same with you US people, always saying that German sounds aggressive, but you just pronounce it aggressive.
It's because they've literally only seen things from like historical documents, documentaries, yeah. Right? I don't know. I lived in Germany when I was a kid, so I think that German is actually kind of a pretty and elegant language. but that's just me, right? And I'm sure some people would disagree with me. Yeah, no, I speak very broken German. I wouldn't even call it speaking German. Ooh, silver right now. Okay, everyone, eyes open, because this is a very clear breakout. All right, we have the retrace, the retest of the point of control. We have a little bit of a breakout here of this area. I'd like to see us have a breakout of this. And if so, I mean, Icarus and I were talking a little bit before the stream, and we're kind of both in agreement. Okay, game face. We're both in agreement that this could go to 140 and rather quickly too.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, this is absolutely nuts, and I can promise you that that there are some big shorts on the back end that are just. I mean, these guys are fucking panicking right now. God, dude, I want a long silver. I'm waiting just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is looking incredible. Wow, silver. Look at this. This is beautiful. Absolutely incredible. Okay. Okay. Oh. I know I shouldn't, but I don't know if I have the strength to resist. I don't know if I have the power to resist.
You should. Don't do it. You already did yesterday. You're
I
not
did do it
allowed
yesterday. I did my week. That was my one this week. Okay, that was my one. We're coming down. We're testing the liquidity level. Okay. Okay. I have to. I have to. I'm long silver. I did it.
Oh man.
I did it. Yep. Sorry, not sorry. Ooh, Riley doing pretty good too. Kyrie's like, don't break the rules. Please don't. This is an extenuating circumstance, okay? This is silver breaking out to new all-time highs. Right? It's come down. It's touched this liquidity level twice, retested it, and is currently moving up. I just can't ignore this. Sometimes opportunity knocks and you have to answer it, even if it is early as fuck in the morning. Even if it is early in the morning, you have to answer when opportunity knocks. The messed up part is too, is like, I didn't even take like a tiny position. Like, this is actually kind of a decent position. I feel that strongly about it. Yes, I do, Icarus. Ooh, I love that. NASDAQ dying. Let's see if we could break structure to the downside. we broke this little structure, but I mean breaking like this area. If we break under this and we break this liquidity level, yeah, we got some pretty lofty targets down here. Okay. And you guys know how quick this can actually happen. Like this could be one candle on opening. I'm not going to trade this right now, because if all my experience trading pre-market is right, this thing has the chance to just come right back up to the point of control. Look at that. You can't trust pre-market. I say as I'm in a pre-market trade on silver. NASDAQ to zero. NASDAQ to zero. Exactly. It won't allow you to use the indicator.
Why is that?
That's what Chucky said. He said that he's having trouble getting into the indicator. Which one are you talking about? The VX Titania? Or VX Caliber? I do also love that name, by the way, because it's like Excalibur the sword. I don't know if that's what you meant it to be, but it is what it is. And it's really cool. Was it? Okay, cool.
What message do you get when you try to exit it? When you try to put it on, Chucky?
Silver long's working out.
Are you also sure that you're on the right chart? That you're on a futures chart?
Yeah, you can't be on a CFD chart with that one. You have to be on the actual futures chart. Have to be on the futures chart.
And also, there is nothing showing up on the screen. Like, you have to put in the inputs to make something show up. It doesn't auto-calculate for you. It doesn't know what trades you want to take. So you have to put in your stop price and so on.
Silver looking real good here. Real good. Look at that. Get that little drawdown, and buyers just immediately swarm in and buy it back up, leaving a massive wick to the downside.
Full
That's
port
beautiful. Don't full port. Okay. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Huh?
I do have abnormally large sizing here. I might have even bought a little bit more. To be honest with you. And like a phoenix from the ashes, we watch silver rise. It's like Dr. Frankenstein. Live. Feel like a mad genius. We're gonna do a little bit of magic. We're gonna bring silver up. Silver to 140. Silver to NASDAQ to zero. Silver to 140. Okay. Yeah, I see no reason to close this position or even take profits right now. Like, dude, this party's just getting started, I think. So I'm chilling. I'm big chilling. Silver is sick.
I also thought that yesterday that silver was an only long asset right there. And then I was like 1 billion in negative.
1 billion in negative.
Yeah.
I love that you get done trading real money and you decide to paper trade almost every day. Riley up 4%. There we go. See, we're big chilling with silver, bro. We're big chilling right now. right? I waited for the confirmation. I waited for the bounce. I waited to find support. Okay, I did the right thing. Gonna set my stop right about here at 120 30 cents. So that way I'll at least walk away with something. $1.20 30. I'll even mark it out for you guys. There's the text. Won't even put SL. I'll just put stop loss. I'll write out the full words. Make sure we know what we're looking at. That is an insane rise, though. Okay. NASDAQ coming down to test these lower liquidity levels here. We got a nice little pocket of liquidity right here between 32 and was this 26? Yeah, 24. Okay. Yeah, so we got the pocket between 32 and 24 here. Do want to see how we react out of this, right? If we get a bounce, if we completely fail and break down. And I don't mean just like come down and touch with a little wick. I mean like a real breakdown. So excited to see what happens there. We got our stop set here. We will manually move it up as needed. I am going to change the color of this thing though. I'll change it to white. Because that sticks out on my dark mode chart. Oh, dude, silver is beautiful right now. Silver is absolutely beautiful. I did take a trade pre-market.
God damn, that shit's pumping.
I'm still holding it, dude. I'm still fucking holding it. Like, I am so unconcerned. I'm gonna move my stop up now, though. Let's go up to 60. Ooh, Riley up 5.2%. Let's fucking go. Ooh, ooh. Look at this. This is beautiful. And I try to tell everyone, like, when you're not in this stream, you're fucking missing out. Because we do this shit every day. We do this shit every day. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Let's fucking go. Oh shit. Angel in chat, Chosen One in chat. We got Jaslyn here. We got some new faces too. Mr. X been showing up. ASAP Gorge, welcome. Welcome. Issy, welcome. C in the house. We got Giga Monkey. KXY's in here. Of course, you know him, you love him. John Wick Trades is in here. What is Tradeovate? Well, yesterday it was down is what it was.
Oh man.
Tradeovate is a trading platform, right? That prop firms use. So it's a place where you can go and place your trades and everything, do charting. And yesterday it went down and for like an hour, and then it came up for a few minutes and went down immediately again. So it was yeah, that might be a contentious topic for some people. Not so much similar to things like Apex and Top Step, more similar to like Project X or Trade Locker, I think is what it's called. So it's the platform that you actually use to place trades on. Shit, welcome in everybody. You're good, C, you're good. That's what we're here for. NASDAQ starting to break down. Still holding silver. I took a little profit up here. Not up there. More like right here. That was because I did size up quite a bit into this trade. Let's see if we can get a real breakdown on NAS. Want to see a rejection right here. Want to see the rejection right there. That wasn't really a harsh reaction. What's up? Storm on the house, bro. What's up? Good morning, buddy. No, Tradevate is not a prop firm, but it's the platform that some prop firms use. It was pissing everyone off yesterday. Oh shit, we got Eastmore boy in the house now. What's up, dog? Hey, we got the crew coming in. Avengers assemble. Let's do this, bro. Let's do this. Ooh, I like those pictures you added right there. That's beautiful. Still holding my silver. Yeah, I'm like Thanos, just the Thanos snap, just bah! NASDAQ to 0. Snap the cracker market. Oh shit, that was a good one. That was a good one. What's up, Eastmore? What's up, brother?
No
Thanac.
way. Am I actually seeing that we get some direction on US 30 now?
Is it happening?
I think it is. On the 1 minute at least, it shows some weakness.
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm far too interested with what's happening on NASDAQ and silver right now, to be honest with you. I'm far too interested. Silver going fucking nuts right now. Still continuing to hold. Look at this beautifully placed stop loss. Oh wow. Again, what I really want to see is I want to see NASDAQ. I want to see NASDAQ pump. I really do. I mean, it's not looking 100% likely right now, but oh my God, chosen. This is for you. This is for you, brother. This is for you. Silver new all-time highs. Let's fucking go. Let's
bring
go.
it in.
Let's go. Hey, good sister coming in. Good sister coming in with those gains. Metals are on a parabolic run. No. Chosen. Metals are on a generational run. On a generational run. Everybody, let's get a little bit of a round of applause in chat for good sister 69 clearing 14.15 in like the first fucking 40 minutes of trading. Let's go. Let's get a congratulations. Let's get a congratulations for Professor Rick, $700 in about 10 minutes. let's get one for Kyrie. I know Kyrie's in here, right? Kyrie, you're in silver. I know you are, right? You have to be.
Yeah, she was.
I
She
saw it.
exited her position, I think.
Yeah, I saw it. Let's get this. Good job. Good job, guys. And yes, Eastmore brings up a great point. If you trade with Tradeovate and you had issues yesterday, check your emails. Check your emails, okay? Because there is going to be some details there. And also, your prop firm is probably going to be fixing things up for you as well. I'm going to move my stop up just a tiny bit.
A little picture in
Yep.
the chat.
I moved it up on the screen for you guys. Give me a second because now I have to actually move it up. I just wanted to make sure that I was moving it for you guys so you guys knew what was happening. Just give me 1 second. All right, we're set. We're set. Does anyone know where buy sell buttons are? The fuck are we looking at, brother? What
No,
are we
you
looking
have
at,
to
Strong
call
Law?
the prop firm to make your positions.
You have to call them. It's like it's like 2000s.
Yeah.
It's like the early 2000s, bro. You got to get on the phone with them. I love that we could sit here and just joke around and talk shit. Have a ton of fun. There's no, you know, it's funny because trading when you're doing it right is kind of boring. But I feel like the commentary and us just joking around together, not only does it build community, but you know, it's fun. It makes it fun, right? So I enjoy that. Shit, what's up, Nitrom? Welcome. It's going great, bro. Going great. I bet TradingView has terrible fills. So it's funny because I care so much about the fills. I care so much about the fills that you know, I use a broker that I hate the user interface of, right? I use JPM as one of my brokers. And again, I hate their user interface. It is awful. But their fills are so good. Like they hook me up, dude. 6 Eyes. It is not. It was free for like 3 months. But if you want to be in the VIP, check the announcements. We should have links to those for the Warrior tier and the Legend tier. There is a free trial, and we also do have a code for you to save 25% off that first month. And we do this every trading day. So
Except bank holidays.
except bank holidays, yeah, we're not going to do it on bank holidays. There's nothing to trade. I'm not going to sit there and watch a zero volume. Yeah, just not going to happen. So make sure that you're signing up, 6 Eyes. Hey, we'd love to have you, man. Shit, 70% off. Can't do that. We got 25% off, and then what we also have is in addition to the 25% off, we have an affiliate program that we set up. So if you guys refer anyone, and I know I sound like a broken record, you've heard me say it before. If you guys refer anyone, you will get 25% of their monthly subscription, the proceeds from it, paid to you every month for the entire time that they keep their subscription. Hey, we want to share the love. We want to share the love. Hey, Lamar. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's get a little round of applause for Lamar Trey. Show Lamar some love. Show Lamar some love here in the chat. Because we like to see winning. We don't like to glorify losses. We glorify wins. If you're hitting a bunch of losses, then you know, that's something where we need to work on that. We need to work on that because there's opportunity every day, bro. Chef's cooking in the kitchen. No, I'm not an NQ Longs. Why are you an NQ Longs? That would be my question.
I'm about to open up a few small longs soon, though.
I mean,
After open.
I see the coiling, but I'm waiting for open. I want to see open first. Oh wow!
I'm just waiting for value reclaim.
Let me go get some caffeine. You good to host it for a minute, Icarus?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Cool. All right, I'll be right back in a sec.
Yeah. All right, people. What should we do? What should we do? What are we thinking about gold? Yes, Juki, you want to edit the Excalibur in like the shape of the settings, because you want to make it fit to your account and what you have. All the free scripts that I have are fully customizable. Maybe. I don't know. That depends on you if you can trade order blocks. Yo, Chosen. I am giga unprofitable. Like, there's no one more unprofitable than me. By the way, Foodport long gold. Nah, I'm just kidding. But gold buys are looking pretty decent. I will wait for New York Open and take possibly an entry at like 5010. Yeah, 510. That's where I would most likely go long from, if anything. US 30 is on a meltdown. We might be going into shorts on open. Be careful if you enter any there. We also had a gap down. Nasdaq is also on a meltdown. I think this looks pretty bearish so far. Yo, what the hell? I just switched to Bitcoin and this thing just nuked down. Where did it go? I'm calling Bitcoin to 60k for the year. Bias for today is somewhat sideways, 970. We are pretty neutral. We are just waiting for New York Open to give us direction. All right. Nasdaq is absolutely fucking wild. Gold is coming back down. US 30 is pumping back to the point of consolidation.
But we're here. We're watching for the Nasdaq dump.
Yeah, not happening.
Watch for the dump to zero. We'll stop that on silver, obviously. Great trade on silver. Just absolutely fantastic trade on silver. I'm waiting just a minute on Nasdaq.
Bro made 500 on gold. How?
Nice. 970. If we're going by just ICT bias rules, it would be bullish, but I am waiting just a little bit. Oh, here's a little candle. Hello. If we could break this right here, break these wicks, right? Break this overall structure. I will be long Nasdaq, but I'm not yet. I think there's a good shot silver. See some more upside.
US 30 is just pulling the same shenanigans as 3 hours before.
Fantastic. Ooh. Hi there, Nasdaq. You going to zero today? You know, we're gonna say it, and one day it's gonna happen.
But
Hey.
I won't probably be on Earth until that happens.
Hey, Chuki 500 on gold. Everyone give him a nice little congratulations. Give him a GG. Give him a fire emoji. Chef's cooking in the motherfucking kitchen, bro. Let's go. Still just waiting on Nasdaq. I want to see clear direction. Right now it seems to be drifting down, obviously, right? We got a pretty clear trend. Boop. But this is not what I want to see. In case you guys didn't see, oil is actually doing really well right now. For crude, it's been doing well this morning, so that's something to definitely keep an eye on. Something we definitely want to keep an eye on.
Yeah, I'm short Nasdaq.
Yeah, I'm about to as well. All right, I'm in. I've literally been sitting waiting for the break.
Yeah, same.
Had my finger on the trigger, you know. Stop is placed at 26.10 presently. I want to give this thing lots of room to breathe. So if we get a little wick up, I want to make sure that it's not stopping me out, you know. Unless it's like a crazy rise, which doesn't really seem to be happening right now. So, you know. See. Ooh, Riley doing real well. Riley up 5%.
Antimony down 11.
Dude, antimony's been getting fucking hammered. I took profits and I've de-risked myself on antimony, but you know I was really hoping that it would keep climbing, and it's not. So, you know.
God damn.
I am going to move my stop here. You know what? Let me just draw it out for you guys. It's gonna be so much easier to just draw my stop out for you.
Burn it down.
NASDAQ to 0. Oh, wait, we need to, ooh, look at that. Silver about to come down and test this liquidity point again that we launched off of last time, like right where we longed.
I think my broker's having a problem.
Moving my stop deeper into profit here. Ooh, NASDAQ. All right, stop move down to 969. God, I could probably move it lower, to be honest with you.
Bro, to be honest, I think I'm gonna take profits here.
I think I'm going to as well.
That's already quite a range we have here.
All right, I'm out. That was a good trade. Not gonna get greedy, motherfucker. It drops even more. See, and this is why we don't always want to go by the ICT bias rules, right? Sometimes we want to look at the greater context of the situation. I'm waiting for silver to find a nice support, but it's just, you know, there's a good shot we hit it right around here. If you look, this is where a lot of longs came in, right? This is where a lot of longs came in. So again, right?
Bro.
I say it every day. Yeah, we took profits a little too early.
Holy shit.
To be honest with you, I'm kind of waiting on us to find a clear bottom and start to move up. Nope, never mind. No, I'm not. I'm going to enter short again on NASDAQ. Entering
I'm just not getting my fill right here.
Enter a small short. See, that's why I like CFDs. Because you always get your fucking fill on CFDs.
I'm on this CFD chart.
You're trading CFDs?
Yes. My position is still in the fucking shorts and I already clicked on exit and it just doesn't exit.
Oh, I might hit my stop in a sec. I'm mark up my stop for you guys. We were real close there.
Brother. Impossible.
Oh, there it is. All right, I'm stopped out on my second NASDAQ short, which is totally okay. Totally okay. We found a little bit of a supportive bounce on silver. So let's see what happens. I think I'm going to take a small silver long here. All right, I'm in.
All right, I got my gold fill on 5,510.
I'm in silver longs. This time it's a small position. Stop loss set at 119.75.
I'm still not getting my exit now. I already clicked like my fucking close order at like 3 minutes ago. And it still does not exit.
Cancel it and try to exit again. Moving stop up. I'm going to move it right up here. 120.18.
Now it did. For fuck's sake.
Hey, you actually got a little bit more from it.
No.
Oh no, 3 minutes. Yeah, no. Okay, it fucked you a little. Can we get a rest in peace? Can we get a rest in peace for Icarus? Yo, John Wick, dog. John Wick coming in with 1,607.96 on 3 trades. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Icarus.
What do you mean, rest in peace? I'm still up 16 bands.
No, I know. But rest in peace. Rest in peace. It could have been 17. Rest in peace. We're canceling Christmas.
Could have been 30.
Christmas is canceled.
Yo, Trust, what's up, mate?
Yo, Trust, what's up, bro? Yep. Exactly. Fucking Professor Rick coming in, bro. Let's hit some motherfucking fire emojis for Professor Rick. Show him your love. Look at that. He's going crazy. My man up 1479 already on the stream. Let's go. Mark's been open for 10 minutes. Mark's
Holy
10 minutes. We're going crazy. Still got the silver long playing out real beautifully here. Real beautifully. Nasdaq
US 30 might be in for some shorts.
Nasdaq might be in for some fucking shorts. If you break down under this level right here, this 860, like watch out below. There's a good shot. It just goes right down to the 804, and that's
True.
short. I got stopped out on silver. Oh my god, we stupid wick. I mean, I still got stopped out on a very slight profit, right? Like, but still, come on, guys. How you gonna do me like that, silver? How you gonna do me like that, silver?
Yo, John, did you also take the setup from Oracle?
Yeah, that's the question.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit. We got Maddie in here. Maddie hasn't been here for a while. Everyone say hi to Maddie.
She's shy. You scared her away.
Okay. Waiting a little bit. I want to see us test this and reject off of this 861 for Nasdaq. Hit another short on it. Nope. All right, we're waiting. It's okay. There's no rush. We're waiting.
Man.
Haven't had anyone say anything on YouTube yet. Do they not know about the best motherfucking stream?
I don't know. I also don't have any comments on TikTok.
Do they not know? They're not knowers, bro.
No, they don't.
They're not knowers. They don't know that we're over here just printing every day. They have no idea. Oh shit, 00 Trust in the house. What's up, Trust? What's up, Trust? All right, shorting Nasdaq here.
Ooh, this thing is bleeding today.
Yep, I'm shorting Nasdaq. I'll show you where my stop is.
Shorts on US 30.
Injured right about here. 834.
See a vision. I have a good one.
We got a real wide stop. All right, see you, Vision. Have a great day, buddy. Everybody say bye, Vision. Bye, Vision. You couldn't see me, but I was waving. I was waving by. You can't see me, but I was waving by. Have a good one, buddy. Have a good one, buddy.
Oh my days. Taking profits here on US 30.
I'm going to move my stop a little bit.
Yeah, it was a 1 second entry.
Tightening up my stop a little bit since the short is working on NASDAQ. I still want to make sure I'm giving it a lot of breathing room, right? So I'm literally, I have it right now with about $30 of breathing room.
Yeah, check that out.
I do want to see us come down and break this right here. Sellers coming in heavy, man. They're coming in heavy on NASDAQ. That thing's looking fucking cooked.
Yeah, it's all because of yesterday.
Well, again, right? There's silver breaking down.
Silver
breaking down.
Ooh.
I want to see more off of silver.
Oh my days.
All right, stop loss is officially in profit. Moving it right now. 1 second, guys. Okay, now we're good to go. We're good to go. I want to see a little bit more. I want to see us come down before wanting to take any silver shorts. I want to see us come down to this point of control and break it to the bottom, break it to the downside. But so far we got a nice supportive bounce. We're starting to get some wicks on the downside here for NASDAQ. Yeah, look at that. Boom. Little rocket up, little rocket emoji. Stop is very tight compared to price now. Just want to make sure that I'm walking away with some gains. Might get hit here in a second.
Right? Did you enter shorts, Eastmore boy? On the US 30 that I called out, or did you go for NASDAQ?
Everyone, give Untitled a little bit of love here. Give them those fire emojis. Let's cheer on these winning trades. Great job. Hey, Eastmore, that's what we do, baby. That's what we do. Give Eastmore some love. Give Eastmore some love. And again, guys, we are going to be. Oh, I got stopped out. On NASDAQ. Oh, it was a gain. It was a small gain, but it was a gain. And again, right? Like that's it. You guys are seeing, and I see people learning, man. I see people learning how to do this, and let me tell you guys, that shit just makes me so happy. Oh, fart balls. Let's fucking go. Everybody, give fart balls some love. Give fart balls some love. And remember, we are going to be doing a subscriber-only stream right after this, right? So right after this stream ends, we're going to take a small little 10, 15-minute break, and we're going to move to a subscriber-only stream. So make sure that you get in. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. A KXY, in profit. That's what matters. Give KXY some love. Give Nitrom some love. We cheer each other on, guys. We cheer each other on because we love to see winning. Silver finding a little bit of support here. Break through this. I might be a silver long again.
Oh, that's a heavy absorption on the 5-minute. I think it might be turning back to longs.
Yeah, on silver?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. I want to
US 30 back consolidation.
I want to, yeah, obviously, always fucking eternal consolidation since yesterday. I want to see us bounce off of this 8150 right here. This sorry, 119, 80, 65. My bad. I want to see that active support. Make sure that you guys sign up for the VIP, because you see, like this isn't just like some well-marketed bullshit like some people on YouTube that I'm not gonna name. Right? Like we fucking do this for real, bro. We do this for real. So if you're in this stream and you're taking the trades with us, like, you're making fucking money. See, and that's what I wanted to wait for, right? Because I wanted to see us find support and start to kind of trail up on silver, but we didn't get it. So this is the time where we're patient, right? And we just wait. We just patiently wait.
Yeah, Nasdaq is breaking down here on the microstructure.
It sure is. I feel like Nasdaq shorts are in order right now. I want to wait just a second because I want to see how we react to this liquidity level. Got a little support on it and like right below it earlier. So I want to wait a sec. There's no reason to rush it, right? Nasdaq will be here tomorrow. It'll be here in an hour. It'll be here in 30 minutes, unless it goes to zero. Okay. Test potentially coming up in a second. No. Yes. Test it, you motherfucker. Test it. You guys see why I like to play off of these liquidity levels. You see how often we just come up and touch it and just reject or confirm and just bounce one way or the other, bounce or drop. So I really like playing off the liquidity levels. It's a strategy that's worked for me for over a decade. If it goes to zero, then we long. Fuck yeah, brother. Yeah, no, gold going nuts ASAP. Gold going nuts. Is ASAP? ASAP's not even in chat with us. Like we're not watching. Okay. Give a Nasdaq a second here. I got distracted looking at chat. Give a Nasdaq a second here.
A break below 783 would mean death.
Absolute fucking death. That's the kiss of death. Agreed. Below 783, and I'm looking target price 712. Like literally, break 783. I'm looking for 712.
Oh, there it is.
Shorting Nasdaq here. Oh shit! No, ASAP is in chat. We get so fucking full sometimes in here, bro. I'm seeing all these things. Shorting Nasdaq.
You seeing things or what?
There's so much. There's so many people that are in chat sometimes, and it's hard for me to keep track of that. And I'm watching all the charts, right? Because what you guys got to realize is I have these, and then I have my broker up, and then I'm also watching like my swings on my phone. So I'm doing some ultra multitasking here. Okay, we're ultra multitasking.
Nah, that's lightweight.
I got stopped out on Nasdaq almost fucking immediately. Almost immediately got stopped out. I might have to short some more of this HSAI though. Let me tell you what. Wow, Jumia pump, dude. What is happening there? Hello. Still just kind of waiting to see a little bit more here. We're just consolidating on silver. NASDAQ just kind of fucking around here. Still just waiting. Right, we don't want to overtrade. We don't want to take ill-informed trades. We want to make sure that we're taking the good trades. We want to make sure we're taking the good trades.
I think you might be cooking your mic there a little.
Cooking my mic a little bit.
Yeah, you have like the past 3 minutes insane breathing noise.
Oh, my bad. Let me move it right a little bit further away.
Yeah, it should be fine now. Oh, come on, Nasdaq, fucking die.
I'm waiting.
Time to pull out the magnet.
I'm shorting NASDAQ here. Filled. Got to fill at 807. There we go. All right, I got my fill at 807. Setting stop to 796 here. And we will move that around manually as needed. Going to move it down to 788. I'm going to move it to 7. No, I'm going to keep it there. I'm leaving it alone for now. I'm going to leave the stop alone right now. Big wick to the upside on silver.
Holy profits. Give me more.
Moving stop down to 765. $765 is the stop for the short here. Again, want to make sure we're walking away with something, and that would actually be a pretty big something. So,
is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's less than the one from before.
It's not as big as the one before, but it's still big. Okay, motherfucker, you chill.
That's what she said.
970, good job. And everyone, again, make sure that you sign up, because these streams are only going to be available Tuesday, Thursday, right? For free. So make sure that you're signing up. Get in here. I'm moving my stop down to 7:30.
Oh my days.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
That's some nitrous. Yeah, I would be
I'm
taking profits here.
Take profits. Take profits. Take profits.
Cut
On
everything.
NASDAQ short. Cut it all. Flatten your fucking positions. Take it all. Good job. Good fucking job. Take your goddamn profits. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
That's a 100-point move there.
Good sister. Yes.
I better be seeing some good fucking testimonials later.
Testimonials. I want to see some fucking sign-ups. I want to see some sign-ups. Good sister. Hey, everyone, get in chat. Your position should all be closed right now. Get in chat. Like, pick this shit up. Yo, Issy.
Hell yeah.
Love that. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Yo, Tyler going nuts, buddy. Nitrom plus 80 on one single trade. Hey, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Doubled your account size in 30 minutes. That's fucking nuts.
Professor Rick, yo, let's fucking go. Tyler, let's fucking go. Hey, well, that's what we want to do, right, Issy? That's what we want to do. We want to make sure that we are, we want to make sure that we're taking care of you guys, and we want to make sure that we're, want to make sure that everyone's getting what they need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put our WAP up in chat real quick. Let you guys see it, right? Because the thing that really drove us to create this room and do what we, do what we do, was just that we saw that there was like a lack of authenticity, and we saw a lot of people that are like really well marketed, right? Again, no names, but we saw a lot of people that were really well marketed on YouTube, but they weren't really helping people, and I just think that's kind of a shitty grifter thing to do. So I would rather help people. Silver on watch for short right now. I kind of want to short this. I'm gonna wait, but that's on watch. All right, you just got put on notice, Silver. You got put on notice. I'm watching. I'll be watching you.
Yo, is that a fucking 5-minute gap?
Do we have a 5-minute gap?
Am I shitting or? Check this screen.
I don't see a 5-minute gap.
Then my broker is just fucking showing me bullshit.
See, that's why I always use TradingView, and then I have my broker separate.
I'm watching on TradingView right now, and it's showing me this.
Did you share a picture?
Yeah.
What the actual fuck? I don't know, bro. I don't know.
To chart, I'm just using a lambda.
And again, yeah, I don't know what the fuck's happening there. So we just had that big drawdown. Found a little bit of support down there, it seems. NASDAQ's still looking real fucking cooked here. Are you using the right symbols, Eastmore?
The US 30 on futures is YM.
We just have a gap on the 1 minute NASDAQ to the upside. Right there. Got a little bit of a gap, waiting to see what happens here. Gap filled. Silver finding a little bit of stability here. Finding a little bit of stability after this massive just puke down. So we'll see if this continues to be stable. Right now, it's kind of failing to hold this pocket of liquidity. Its pocket of liquidity ranges from 815, 52 down to 818.35, and we're struggling to hold that. So that's a pretty big deal, and we want to make sure that we're keeping an eye on that. Silver's actually at this point given back most of its gains. It was at one point up like 7% on the day, now up only 1.09. So kind of watching to see. I can guarantee you, if you're looking at this volume profile right here, right, there was a bunch of longs that were entered up here, right? You see all this, all the green candles on the side. So there were a bunch of longs that entered up here, and those guys are very bagged right now. It's millions of dollars of liquidation that just occurred. Probably tens of millions, to be honest with you.
Also, for those that were listening for the quick 5 minutes that Father was away on Monday, Bitcoin is actually breaking down right now. If we break those lows and push further down, we'll be seeing some heavy lows soon. We are currently sitting at 86,000.
Yes,
That's the exact level I mentioned.
Yeah, the 25% deal is still up. So everybody, go get that. Go get that 25% discount while we have it. Like, it will not be up forever. Okay, so get it now.
I'll be right back. I gotta go pee.
Get it now. That's what we want to see. Oh, look at that. Look at that consolidation on NASDAQ. Look at silver. Give it just a second. This might be the silver short. We don't want to get faked out, right? So we want to wait for confirmation. Shorting silver here. I'm in. Stop loss right up here. I'm actually going to move it up a little bit. I want it to be at 118. All right, my stop on silver is 118 for my silver short currently. We'll move it around as needed. There we go. Still holding stop at the same place. We could take on a small amount of risk and give it a lot of breathing room, just because we've had such a big green day today. There we go. Anytime now, silver. Anytime. And once we get a little bit deeper into profit, obviously I'll move the stop loss down. Right now we have it at 118. Again, just want to make sure I have a lot of breathing room, because the last thing that I want is for us to get some stupid wick to the upside and come like this one right here, right? Wick up and then just immediately drop and miss out on those profits. So, you know, we're deep in profit. We can have a little bit of a wider stop right now on the day, and just kind of give us a little bit of breathing room, right? NASDAQ potentially breaking structure again to the downside. I want to wait for confirmation, clearing the bodies of these two candles and working our way down through the wicks, potentially going all the way through the wicks. And yeah, just keeping an eye on that one. Here we go. Nope, see, and that's why we want to watch, right? That's why we don't just make these knee-jerk reactions. We wait for the setup to make sense, right? We wait for everything to line up perfectly, because trading really is a no strikes called game, right? Like, you can wait for the perfect pitch, and when you get that perfect pitch, that's when you take the swing. Oh, I'm sorry, KXY. Fucking bottom step strikes again, man. Bottom step strikes again. And that's why we wait on NASDAQ, right? And this is why the stop loss on silver is set so high, right? Because if you'll see, right, it respected this liquidity level on the first one, right? And then got a little bit of a pop up above it, right? Basically where that other wick was, and then it dropped down. So even though we went red for a second on that trade on the silver short, I'm still feeling really good about it. You know, we do have these wicks to the downside, which may be a little bit concerning, but you know, we can afford to take that little bit of risk here, just because today has been such an easy, good day, right? You got this, KXY. You got this, okay? You got this. I see AA typing, dude, we're about to see some epic gains, right? About to see some epic gains. Professor Rick, best day in January. Let's fucking go, man. I love that. Tyler the Explorer, fucking best day.
Yeah, today was heavy.
Today was great. So AA, our approach in this channel is primarily just liquidity based, right? So we look for these big draws of liquidity. We look for a simple break of structure. We're not looking at fair value gaps or anything like that, really, right? It just, it's my firm belief that keeping it simple is the best thing to do, right? So, you know, that's the KISS model, right? KISS, keep it simple, stupid. I'm stupid, I keep it simple, right? And as you can see, like it works out. Like you don't have to do a bunch of really difficult stuff. Like, you can make money off of a very simple model. A very simple model. Ooh, there we go. There's silver short NASDAQ. Ooh, this might be it for NASDAQ too.
Holy shit. We are back in shorts.
I'm short NASDAQ here.
Fuck, what is that, dude?
Wow.
The 15-minute chart is just bleeding down.
Stop loss is kind of tight there, but that's okay. Stop on silver short. I'm gonna move that down right here to 116.86. Okay, that's a big move on silver right there. That's a big move on silver. Moving stop. Want to make sure I'm capturing this. 116.21 is my stop on silver. Still holding NASDAQ short. Still holding silver short. We're just shorting everything today.
Gold is crying.
It's crying. Fuck crying. I want to see it dying, bro. Die. Moving stop. I'm going to move stop to 116 even on silver. 116 even. Like literally right at 116. Look at that. We came up. We almost touched the stop loss there on NASDAQ. Feeling pretty good about that one still. Feeling even better about the silver short. That's playing out beautifully.
Damn.
Absolutely playing out beautifully. We got a little bit of sell side. Looks like we might be sweeping the sell side liquidity a little bit, but overall still feeling very very bearish about silver in the near term right here. So there we go. Okay, changing stop loss. We're gonna move it to 115.40.
Yeah, knowing that gap on the 5-minute chart on gold, that doesn't exist. That's a broker error.
Oh, whoa, silver. Holy shit. 114.60. Moving stop to 114.60. Wow.
Dude, what the fuck is going on today?
I'm moving stop to 114. I want to make sure that I'm taking gains off this. Stop at 114. You remember when you and I were talking this morning before the stream, and we were talking about how silver is going to be an epic short, and I was like, it might not be today, but at some point, and then it just ends up being today. Moving stop to 113.80. 113.80. Brother. Let's go. Moving stop to 113.26.
We're just having a global crisis right now.
112.80. 112.80. Did that hit my stop? How did that not fill my stop for NASDAQ? What the fuck? I don't even get that.
Yeah, I'm not getting my exit filled still. My fill was at 780.
Moving the stop down. 112.40 for silver. 112.40 on the stop. Ooh, we got a little close there.
Like, please let me exit that.
4 cents away. All right, I'm out. I just got stopped out on silver, on the silver short. Brother. Let's get some fucking GGs in the chat. How do you find these levels? We do it with the volume profile. So we do it every morning. Every morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Bro, I'm having that winner chicken dinner today, bro.
Everyone should be.
I was about to say, I hope we're all fucking eating today. Like we're calling it out. We're calling it out. You know what I mean?
I'm just riding that short.
You still riding that short? What,
Yeah, I had
over?
Nah, from Nasdaq, I had my fill at 780.
I'm stopped out now. It should have hit my stop earlier, but it didn't. So.
Yeah, I just have like the, what's it called? The paper trade on here for visualization, but I actually also took the position on my actual broker.
And again, guys, I'm going to tell you right now.
I'm unprofitable.
He's not. No, no, he's good. Icarus is a good trader. Icarus and I have worked together very closely for the last few months, and he was already good, and he's a phenomenal trader. He's really learned a lot, and I dig that. I dig that. Does silver have more downside? I don't know. I don't want to push that. That was insane. That was absolutely insane. No, Icarus wasn't saying anything. He's being quiet right now. He's shy. He's a shy guy. Using the volume profile right now. AA. Using the volume profile. Drew out my lines from the volume profile. Again, take advantage of the 25% discount on the VIP membership while we have it. We're going to take a small break here in just a few minutes, and then we're going to move to a subscriber-only stream. So make sure that you are taking advantage while we have a 25% discount. It will not be here forever. So I'm letting you know, you want to get that, okay? You want to get that. It comes with all sorts of perks. It even comes with some equity and option swing trades. So get it. We also called in the subscriber chat, we called the I'm not using fib levels on you. Fuck the fib, bro. That doesn't even make sense as far as markets are concerned, to be so honest with you. Like, I know some people swear by the fib. Yeah, 25% off first month. And that's for the warrior and the legend here, right? So whatever you sign up for, 25% off the first month. And then our affiliate program, if you get other people, anyone else to sign up, you'll get paid 25% of their the proceeds from their subscription for as long as they keep it. So bring your friends, bring your grandma, okay? Bring your old classmates. Chilling. We're chilling. Yeah, see, for myself, I don't find a lot of value in the fib, right? Because when you look at what the fib actually is, it is the Fibonacci sequence, and it's more of a mathematical like anomaly, right, than anything else. It's not so much a it's not like market related, right? Like people see the Fibonacci sequence. Sometimes it's used in music, right? Like one of my favorite bands uses the Fibonacci sequence to write music. And it's just I don't know. It's not the most impressive thing to me, right? Because you can line up any old thing and sometimes, right, it'll hit it, but do fib levels get hit with the degree of accuracy that the liquidity levels that we draw out on a daily basis do? No, not even close. Not even freaking remotely close. Okay, so again, like we want to make sure. What is NASDAQ doing? What the DAC doing? It's consolidating. It's hitting resistance, right? So we saw resistance here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, 8, 9, 10, right? It's hitting resistance. If anything, this might be a short, but it's kind of still in this like consolidation range while the point of control just moved way down. So we're getting heavy volume here. Someone's probably accumulating a position. I don't know if it's going to be long or short. But yeah. Dude, silver was literally up 7% this morning, and now it's down almost 4%. It is down 4% now. Boom. That was quick. Let's see if we can break structure to the downside one more time. One more time for the stream. One more time. What the DAC doing? What the You like that, Chosen? What the DAC doing? There we go. Get that 25% discount. So once the price crosses a marked out liquidity level, you would enter and close when it's nearing another liquidity level. If so, how do I place my stop loss? So generally, my stop loss in the very beginning is going to be placed right on the other side of one of these liquidity levels if there is one nearby. So let's say, for instance, that I'm shorting this break of structure here on silver at 116.53. Then I'm probably going to put my stop right up here at like 117.85, just right on the other side of this liquidity level, because I know that the chances of it coming up and testing it and rejecting are relatively high, right? As you can see, like these things line up constantly, and I mean fucking constantly. It's all the time. It's not even once in a while, it's all the time. Potential break of structure down here for silver, so let's keep an eye on this for a short. It's not there yet, but it's close, right? It's close. So if we see a little bit more downside, then that's what we want. Shorting silver. Shorting silver, and stop is actually going to be somewhat wide here. I'll move it down as needed. Yeah, so generally I like to set my stop loss like a little bit above, the wicks of prior price action, just to make sure that I am giving myself breathing room, right? So I start off with a small position, then you can always add to the position as it starts working. So hopefully that makes sense to you. I kind of trail it a little bit wider. All right, Icarus, we'll catch you in a bit, brother. Sometimes I trail it a little bit wider, right? Kind of depends on the situation. But then when we get that big drastic move, I'll normally make it a lot tighter, just so that way I can make sure I'm securing profits, right? I'm going to move my stop down to 111.18. Woo! Yeah, we're cooking on these silver shorts again. Silver to zero. Silver to fucking zero. Let's go. 119.65 or 109.65. Pardon me. New stop. 109.65. 109.65. I'm probably going to move it down in just a second here. We can stop down to 108.50. 108.50, new stop. It's about to get hit. Nope. We were real close there for a second. All right, I'm out. I'm stopped out. That was a good short. Yeah, so as far as the trailing goes, right, it really kind of depends on the situation, right? Like sometimes you're gonna trail it a little bit closer, sometimes a little bit further. NASDAQ taking a little bit of a dump here. What the DAC doing? I'm gonna say that just for Chosen now, bro, because he likes it. That's the joke for Chosen. That's the joke for Chosen. We're gonna go for just a few more minutes here. Then we're gonna take our little small break and move over to the subscriber stage. So if you want to keep this party going as we short everything down into the ground, make sure you set up your subscription. Make sure you set it up. Because if you weren't able to make $70 today off of this stream, then you weren't trading. That's some real shit. You weren't trading with us. Either that or your broker fucked you over. Because we've had some phenomenal moves today, and we have been able to really take advantage. Damn, Stormall, what the fuck happened there? Bro, you try to inverse us? You trying to inverse us? Is that what you did? You trying to inverse us? Hey, don't try to inverse us. Move with us, bro. Soup Pug, no. No, we do not. For this trade, I entered based on the break of the recent low. Yes, absolutely. That's exactly what I did. Order blocks sometimes. Order blocks help, right? Order blocks help. That's when we're calling out like the absorption. That's usually just an order block, right? Ooh, NASDAQ on watch. This thing's looking weak. Like this thing is anemic right now. Okay, NASDAQ on watch. KXY. KXY. Take smaller positions. Smaller positions allow you to have bigger stops. You can always size up as the trade begins to go your way. Once you see you are on the right side of the trade and the market is reacting in the way that you need it to, that's when you can start adding and sizing up a little bit. Hey, Nitrum, that's still a good day. That's still a good day. I mean, I guess we could stack Z. I'm leaning way more towards shorts right now because I'm following the trend and watching this thing break to the downside fucking over and over and over again today. So I'm not really gonna sit here and hold my breath waiting for a long. I would rather just trade the breakout, and you know, if I can't get a read on the situation, then I'm just gonna walk away and ignore it and wait, right? Sit on my hands and be patient. Yeah, and size is the biggest thing for most people, right? There's a joke there. I'm not going to be the one to make it, but sizing up, right? Sizing up isn't always necessarily a good thing, right? It's way more important that you are doing the right thing, right? So you do the right thing, and you. Yeah, and you know, it takes time. It takes time, KXY. But sizing up isn't always a good thing, right? You want to be sure that you are able to exactly Popeyes, right? Exactly, right? So what do I always say in this stream, right? What's our first goal? What's our first goal? What's the number one goal that we're concerned with here in trading? Like, what is it? You guys have been here for the stream. Survive. Survival is the number one goal. Yes, yes. You got a little caught up in chat. Potential break of this key liquidity level. Let's see how it plays out for NASDAQ. What the DAC doing? What the DAC doing? So yeah, survival's the number one goal, and you know, we gotta make sure that we are acting in accordance with that, right? We want to make sure that we are taking the appropriate steps to survive, and part of that is going to be the sizing. Yeah, absolutely. So AA, you should see that there is a VIP trading channel. So anyone that's on the free trial, anyone that has the warrior tier, anyone that has the subscriber role, right, which again will be going away, or rather changing into a special badge for our early supporters as a big thank you. It's going to be something that nobody else has, so we're real excited to hand that out to you guys. Um, yeah, so all of those roles are going to be able to access this next stream. And again, uh, we're kind of just about to wrap up in just a second here. For the free stream, we're going to take a minute, or rather maybe about 10-15 minutes, a little bit of a break, let everyone stretch out, get some water. Um, no, you should be able to see that there's a voice channel called VIP Trading. Can you see that? Okay, yeah. So that's where we're going to be moving over to in just a few minutes. But again, right? We want to see everyone succeed and be part of this community. So be sure that you are signing up, because we do this every day. Like this is normal, and I mean, not every day is going to be quite, quite as crazy as today. Um, but we manage, and we do really well. And I'm really extremely proud of a lot of people in here. I've seen so much growth over the last few months. I've seen people that are brand new at trading that have accomplished more in the last 3 months than a lot of people have in several years. So just really kudos to you. So let's go ahead. We'll take a small break now. We'll reconvene at probably what time is it? At like 10:52, 10:53, something like that. Um, over in the VIP trading section. Okay. So I will catch all of you in just a few minutes, or rather, about 15 minutes, and we'll do it some more. Sound good? All right. See you there in just a few minutes, guys. Take a nice little break. See you.